What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In the last few weeks, a lot of the TT-02 kits have gone on sale, so I went ahead and got one myself. I know this is a tried and true platform. There's a ton of videos out there on it already, but my local track over at RC Madness in Enfield, Connecticut actually just started up a box stock racing class on Sundays. Over the last week, I've been building my car, and I just actually finished painting the body, and I wanted to show you guys what comes in the box and my personal experience on building this kit. Now, this is my second kit that I've built completely from scratch. The other one is the LC12B1. There's also a class for that over at RC Madness, and it will be a feature in the Mini Nationals coming up on March 19th and 20th. I'll leave a link down below to the Facebook page and everything that you need to know if you want to participate in the Mini Nationals. It's going to be a great event. We're going to be racing the Losi Mini T2.0, the Losi Mini B, both stock and mod classes, obviously the 12B1, and there are some mini crawler classes as well as vintage classes. So check the link down below if you want to learn more about that. If you are interested in the TT-02 kit and the class that we are running, leave a comment down below. If you want to see more on this car and maybe some running footage of it, let me know down below. I will definitely record when I get this thing to the track next. So getting back to this kit in particular, I have never built a Tamiya car. I've never had a Tamiya car before, so I heard some things about the directions being not so great, but I wanted to, again, share my experience. So let's go into the unboxing, and then I'll show you my final product. Alright, so this overview footage is basically going to be some quick cuts of the highlights of me putting this car together. For some of you that are new to RC, you may have never seen a kit car before, and this is basically the bare bones of what comes in it. This kit specifically does come with some electronics. It does come with a motor as well as an ESC. So things that you will need to complete this car are going to be a receiver, a battery, a servo, and probably some glue for the tires, as well as paint for the body. None of these TT-02 kits from Tamiya come with painted bodies, although you will see a completely finished car on the box. Do not be fooled. Unfortunately, these do not come painted. You will need to paint them yourself, and this could be a good and bad option for some of you. If you're looking to have something completely done out of the box, this is not the kit for you. But if you do want to go ahead and customize your own paint job, this is a great way to start. Some of the things we've taken out of the box already are the unpainted body. As you can see here, all of the parts are part of these little plastic trees that you break off and follow the instructions. We have the standard TT-02 tub chassis there. They do give you some extra front ends. I believe these are for if you wanted to put a light kit in there. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, I'm not sure. Again, for this kit specifically, these are a two-piece rim. You will need to screw them together. Tires that come with this kit are more of a touring slick. There is no tread pattern on them. The blue Rally WRX kit that they have come with rally tires that are knobby, and so completely different than these. The class over at RC Madness is running box stock, so there are cars that are running with these tires. There's cars that are running with the rally tires. It all depends what comes with your kit specifically. Continuing through the box, we obviously have more parts. These are all labeled, so it's fairly easy to follow the instructions. This is the second part of the rim that comes with this kit. It's more of a BBS style rim. Then we have this little straw looking thing that's for the antenna for your receiver. You do not have to use it. And then finally at the very bottom we have our instruction manual, and we also have our sticker kit. Now this sticker kit comes with everything that you need to make the body look exactly like the box. It also has the window cutouts like I used. You can go ahead and apply those window cutouts before you paint the body so that when you peel off the sticker cutouts, your windows will be clear. Something that I found to be frustrating with this sticker kit is that none of these stickers are cut out already. So you will need a scissor or X-Acto knife to cut each individual sticker out before putting it on the outside of the body. So once I got through everything in the box, I started putting the kit together by following the instructions. Now, compared to the LC12B1 kit that I made, these instructions were a bit of a wake-up call. Now, unlike other instruction booklets that I've read, the English and Japanese instructions are all on the same page, so you do need to follow specifically along and try to find the next step in English. So once you get past the learning curve of the instruction manual, you will notice that pretty much everything in this entire kit is plastic. As you can see here, this is one of the differentials. The sun gears as well as the spider gears are all plastic. Even the little shafts that the spider gears go onto are plastic. So remember that if you do plan on upgrading this to brushless. Now, the box stock class that I'm running this in is allowing a 2S Lipo with stock electronics. Also, something to note with the differentials are that there are no seals in them. Now, they do provide you with some Tamiya grease that helps hold in the sun gears at both ends, but again, there are no seals, so putting any sort of fluid in here is probably going to leak out. I went ahead and filled my differentials with marine grease. I will link it down below. I'm not sure if this is a good option or a bad option. It's just what I had on hand, so that's what I filled it with, and as of right now it does feel pretty good, so I will definitely keep you guys updated as I start running this car. Something else to note, this kit does not come with any bearings. As you can see here, I've upgraded my kit with the sealed bearings. I will link them down below where you can get them. They come in a complete kit and it'll replace all of the bushings in this kit with sealed bearings. I would definitely recommend this upgrade. It costs about 13 bucks. The next big step in the instructions is installing this big 550 canned brush motor. Again, this comes with the kit, so you do not need to supply your own. I was also really impressed with the motor mount that it came with, because all you do is match up the pinion size that is provided with the kit with the holes in the motor mount. It is very nicely labeled and the mesh is absolutely perfect. There's just a little bit of wiggle room, not too much, not too little. Great job, Tamiya. Again, this is a tried and true kit and their quality control seems to be top notch with those fittings. The next step in the kit was building the shocks. Now, the shocks that come with it are friction shocks. There are no oil in them and they're completely plastic aside from the springs. Again, box stock class, this is what I'll be running, but you can upgrade these down the road. So finally, after about another hour to an hour and a half, the kit was completely done. Overall, this took me about 2.5 to 3 hours, I would say, and it was fairly easy once you get past those first few steps. The spoked rims and tires that are on it currently are from the LCPTG2. The tires that came with the kit will be in the B-roll footage. I just didn't put them on yet because I had plans of painting them, as you'll see in just a second. And finally, when it came to the body, I vinyl cut my own Audi stickers. If you haven't watched my video on how to make your own vinyl stickers for RC cars as well as your own t-shirts and stuff for under $150, I'll leave a link up above to that video. And finally, after painting the body with the Traxxas Pro Graphic Mirror Chrome paint, I'll leave a link down below to that. You just peel off the protective coating. As you can see, I masked the windows out so those were clear. I sprayed those with some shadow paint so they have a tint look to them, and put all the stickers on, and that was that. So if you made it this long in the video and watched the whole thing, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below saying that you watched the whole thing. Let's get into that B-roll footage of my painted TT-02 completely finished. Let me know what you guys think down below.